Unlock a goldmine of real estate investment opportunities by mastering foreclosure searches with Batchleads. Let's dive straight into how you can leverage Batchleads to pinpoint profitable foreclosure properties. First, navigate to the Properties tab in your Batchleads account. This is your central hub for all property data. Now you'll want to click on the Search or Filter option. This will open up a powerful array of tools to refine your property hunt. Here's where the magic happens for foreclosures. Look for a filter labeled Status or Property Type. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Foreclosure or the relevant foreclosure statuses. This instantly narrows your search to properties actively in the foreclosure process. But we can get even more granular. You can layer on filters for specific locations, desired property types like single-family homes or condos, and even set a price range that aligns with your investment strategy. Once your filters are set, hit Search and watch as Batchleads presents you with a targeted list of foreclosure properties. You'll see critical data points for each listing. Click into any property to access a deep dive of its details. This includes property characteristics, owner information, and often important financial data that helps you assess its investment potential. Batchleads empowers you with data-driven insights to identify lucrative investment properties and navigate the foreclosure market. Successfully start exploring and uncover your next great real estate deal today.